Hey everybody, doing a review on the coffee press I got here from Hunt Brothers. So I've got it all set up. I've put some coffee in there, and this is the French press here. As you can see, super nice handle, very good quality, very solid, no shaking or anything. Here's the press, hasn't been used yet, very nice and shiny. Very happy with it. An extra filter. So I'm going to pour some hot water in here now, and then I'm going to pause, let it sink in, let the coffee sink in, and then turn it back on, and then I'll record the pressing. Okay, so let's go grab our hot water. I do need to get a pot to boil water in the future. So let's do this. Put that in there. So I'm just going to put the lid on and pause, and I'll be back in 4 minutes. And we're back. It's been 4 minutes, and I say 4 minutes because in the manual on the side of the box here, it says scoop it and then wait 4 minutes. So that's a nice little handy directions, considering that I've never used a French press myself. So let's get to the pressing. So as you can see, the coffee is sort of chilling up there. So we're gonna slowly push the plunger down, and we'll see how good the filter is. Slowly. Alright, we're down. Now, I'm going to pour it into my tumbler here. See what happens. So this thing is 35 ounces. This is 30 ounces. Fits in there nicely. I poured it all out. Don't see any grains in there or anything. Let me take the plunger out and see how it looks. Looks good. Really solid. So that's my live action review of this thing. I'm going to drink this coffee now. But yeah, definitely enjoy this thing. I think for the money, you're really not going to do much better. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know any questions.